for like a minute, dude. What the fuck? Yeah, you piece of shit.
Even before the primal war before the war, the goats, messengers, mean bunch. And we put that mark on all 7 of their arms.
I need name.
Lucky for you, I see one in the wrist. Forum Madden.
Madden.
Hmm.
What is he?
I mean, brass now rode out a camp headed for the outpost.
Elwood Outpost?
Why?
I need wolves.
I'd be willing to check. He was the lead.
Okay, let's do it! Yalla, let's do
I
this!
need it. I'm going to Elwood Outpost.
Where was the run? I'm getting down.
I'm putting cards.
Now, you're in.
No. It is nasty. These things. Considering your baby is erased.
Wait, hang on! Yo, hey, loading, loading! Let me load!
Feeling fine. You can eat you.
You got. Ooh. Fancy.
Okay. Yeah, good to go. Hey,
Okay,
hey,
good.
drop your
I'm
weapon!
ready.
Down on the ground now! I need a sec! Get down on the ground! You should run! Hey, drop your weapon! Yeah, I'm loading!
one that can't spell. Oh,
I get it.
They're an alpha!
that hitman guy fucking left and got me fucking killed.
Hostiles on alpha! Loading! Reloading! Ammo low! Hang on! Let me
Schizophrenia
load!
without a daily care may seem impossible. But what if there was a path to treatment just twice a year? It's time for a Vega outline. The only non-lethal medicine that helps continuously control schizophrenia symptoms for up to 6 months with one dose.
Not aiming, huh?
Invasive Gear is not for everyone. Elderly dementia patients have an increased risk of death or stroke. Call your doctors or consultant therapist because this care can be harder. You can have high fever, stiff muscles, confusion, dizziness upon standing, seizures, or increase in prolactin. Other risks include increased cholesterol, weight gain, heart rate, and high blood sugar, which can lead to coma or death. These are not all the serious side effects.
Mm-hmm. 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 Mm-hmm.
Pyro, on my screen it looks like you're single loading a fucking grenade at the moment. You're
Oh,
single loading a grenade in your hand.
I was wondering why the guy was staring at me. I was like, that's weird.
Well, I mean, this is the angle I was looking at earlier, but I just saw you with a grenade in your hand, just loading it from over like the KFG, and I'm like, what the fuck's going on right now? What the
That's lovely.
Owie, I just got hit with Ricochet, that's not cool.
Well, that's nothing new, Payne. I got shot in the face from a mile away by a guy with a pistol. I watched him pull out just to shoot me in the face. I was switching my gun over to a different tube. Oh, oh, no. I got clicked so much. What kind of dust cover rail was that? I wonder for the SKS. I need one of those. Oh god. But then again, maybe not. Red dot's like fucking $400. I need to get an RMR for my fucking pistol. And then probably get a tack light for it. That's another $300. I ain't doing that. Not right now. Oh, god damn it. Go with a fucking. Oh my god. Cover and laser shot, I guess. Fuck it.
Yeah, good to go. Whoa, 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 hey! Just a sec, reloading. Jahis, hell.
That's cool. That's cool. Yeah, your internet's doing way better. When we get done, I want you to do a speed test with your door open and see how fast your internet is. I'm just curious. Can I help you? What you want? Don't just fucking walk away, coward. You already know this, Payne. What the fuck? I got shot through a wall. I keep getting killed by stupid bullshit. Yeah, a whole fucking wall. I ducked down so they couldn't shoot me that time. And I watched bullets start flying through the fucking white little panel on the left of the wall. I'm like, what the fuck? Just like that guy right there got killed, and then I think you died. Oh god, this guy has no idea.
Piece of shit! Enemy!
You better just stay watching that fucking way, dude. I'm watching Hitman. Good. What gun is that? Oh, it's never mind. Fast. SAR. Like some weird Russian rifle is the SAR. Wait, what? Uh, you should probably watch fucking behind him. By yourself.
Where are you guys?
All that fucking shooting for nothing. Dude, kill that guy. Good lord. You fucking sent 60 rounds over there. I see him right there. I was just watching him. I don't think he's just sitting there watching this man.
Get down on the ground! Come over here, then! Asshole! Haha, okay!
He gets the fun of clearing the bottom floor of M249 now. Never mind.
Alright
Jesus
then.
Christ.
Go fucking spread it out!
I just absolutely got my shit fucking knocked off my fucking
Oh my
shoulders.
god.
It's alright though.
That, I got you through a wall twice, man. Don't feel too bad. That was fucking funny. Got the goddamn way. Gaggle fucking shit. Over here gaggle fucking and shit. I'll shoot you in the forehead. I ain't killed
I'm
nobody
assuming
yet.
the motherfucker's further down the stairwells than I thought he was.
I'm guessing, man. I don't know. They shoot you through stuff every once in a while.
I
So
looked
maybe.
down and I was like, I don't want to peek too far down, cause I figured, alright, if they're gonna be standing, that's where I'd see their heads at. And I'm like, alright, I'm good. Go to walk by, immediately get my fucking forehead peeled off. Like, okay, I guess.
We ain't too hungry. We're just trying to play the objective. And I keep getting murdered by stupid shit. I'm using a shotgun. I just got shot at. Am I alive? I'm alive. There's a dead guy here. That's a grenade. I don't think I should peek the fuck out here with this shotgun. Oh, motherfucker! How'd you live through that, sir? What the fuck just shot at me? Your left. This is right. Sorry. Fuck, I missed. You just, skill issue, man. Skill issue. What round are you using first off?
Check it, yalla! Let's do this!
Alright, I gotta change, I guess. Holy fuck. me go with something different here.
Hey, hey, I'm
You do
reloading.
that. Good. Good secondary.
I tried. I'm sorry.
Green to green, dude. Let's go. Ready.
As usual, I got my head knocked off my shoulders. My ear ripped off of my head.
You got no ear no more? That's kind of fucked up, man.
Shit do be fucked up.
Talking to me? No, I don't see nobody.
249 go Bert.
I see something. Oh, what the? Loading.
Let me load.
People. You want to see all those people? Yeah, there's a lot of people. The bomber off to the left somewhere. Got him.
Cover me.
Why ain't you aiming?
Loading. Need cover southeast. Thank you, thank you. I'm sorry.
He made sure you was gonna die for
My
him.
bad, homie. I didn't kill him, I softened him up for the enemies by accident. That is my bad. I just got fucking naded. I'm dead as hell.
What the fuck?
Hey, we're back. I'm sorry, Tickle. I didn't mean to tap you with the 249. Ow, that mortar hurt.
Don't touch my uncle, he says. Wow, touching his uncle. Nice. It might. Compensator helps me pretty good. Vote down that whole fucking group of people. I'll probably come back from last to at least second or third, I hope. Alright, dude, you gotta die. What the fuck was that bullshit there? I bet so. At least get you something. Some form of reference.
No! Homie!
Cover me. Yo, new man.
Ah! Oh, that's more heartburn. I'm good. I'll give you some vitamin D.
Reloading weapon. I'm reloading.
If that was vitamin D, that'd be weird. Fair enough. Yeah.
They need us. Come on.
We're not done yet.
Henry, I'm not sure. I usually have it in, but
Actually, I wonder if I could do that instead. Apparently not. Apparently not. I can do that instead. Somehow I always get this site. I picked the weird 4 times, and I get this one, but I like this one, so I guess it works. Fuck it.
find a weakness.
Who threw a fucking grenade? Somebody threw a grenade that went like halfway. Didn't do shit. Just wasted like $700 of the taxpayers' money. Why that guy just staring at me back there? Quit staring at me, you fucker. Fall over, sir. I see you sitting there. Fucking thank you. That was crazy. Gotta reload after that. I could really see the fucking guy sitting there, but he wouldn't fucking do anything. Where the fuck did he go? There you go. I'm good, good. He's getting shot in the back, I think. Okay. I was getting really loud for some reason. Oh, of course we gotta reload, but there's a fucking 20-man group running up. What the fuck is that bullshit? Oh, that's not fun. That sucks. Ah, I got killed. Down. He lies. Oopie. Pretty good this time.
I got naded. I'm dead as fuck. 249 down.
Where is everyone?
It's not about the map.